Formoa Crystal is a hybrid polymer-based sealant that is formulated to be crystal clear with a very low viscosity, making it easy to use and tool up. The enhanced UV and weathering performance ensures it remains clear even in challenging environmental conditions. Formoa Crystal has a skin over time of 10 minutes and will cure in around 12 hours. It can come in either 290ml cartridges, 600ml foil packs, or bulk options. Clear formulation, high UV performance, low viscosity, ISAGA food safety approval, silicon and isocyanate free, and good chemical resistance. It can be more difficult to tool up than silicon. Its high strength makes removal difficult, and in large quantities, the UV enhancers can cause a blue tint. Is Formoa Crystal a good sealant for you? If you are looking for an ISAGA approved sealant that can achieve a high quality finish that remains crystal clear when exposed to harsh conditions, Formoa Crystal would be the perfect option for you. If you are looking for a multi-purpose adhesive sealant or a colour match sealant, you may want to look at alternative options within our Formoa range. If you want more information about Formoa Crystal, you should go ahead and download the datasheet.